Hey, I was in an accident in the Mercedes. Hit right here at about 35. Rear-ended somebody. But they totaled it out. The insurance company totaled it out. But it's not totaled. I took out the air, what is that, condenser, the radiator, and the fan, clutch, and the fan, and there's nothing wrong with the front of the engine. I cranked it up and drove it into the garage. It's been sitting in the backyard. But the core support, here's where the damage is. You can see over there, the core support is straight, comes over here, and then it just all was bent up. And you can see where the damage here, it collapsed the fender, so it pressed everything in right here. So I've got a donor car out here, same year. And I've got all the parts here. So here's the front. Headlights, and see the fender's good. And here's this core support is good. So, and I got the fan up front. So I'm going to take this core support out. I think, and there's a condenser. That condenser is probably good here. And then I got the radiator downstairs. So I'm going to take all this stuff to the radiator shop, have them test it. But I think this is going to work just fine. I think the core support, looks like there's a bolt there. And yeah, there we go. So right there on the other side of those tubes, I think it's welded to the front frame right here. It's welded right down in there. And it looks like it might be welded to the fender right here. I can drill those out, and I don't know, it's going to be interesting. I'm going to try to replace that. But and the hood's good on this one. Just need to clean it up. Yeah, it's just dirty. Nothing wrong with it.